Beneath the surface lies a hidden world, organized, intelligent, and complex. A world where millions live, work, and build in perfect harmony. At the center of this world is the queen, laying thousands of eggs to grow the colony. Each ant is born with a purpose. Some become tireless workers. They gather food, care for the young, and build endless tunnels. Others become soldiers, strong and fearless, guarding the nest from danger. Communication is key. Ants don't speak. They use scent signals, called pheromones. One chemical trail can lead thousands to food or signal a threat. Their teamwork is unmatched. No boss, no leader, just instinct and coordination. Some colonies stretch across continents. Others wage wars with rival nests. They farm fungus, herd aphids, and even enslave other ants. In their tiny world, there's strategy, sacrifice, and survival. Ants have thrived for over 100 million years, small but unstoppable.